I believe I have a dead battery. So I got volume and everything, but then going to start the car, barely turns over and I don't get anything. So I'm gonna break out the battery jumper right here. All you need is the actual jumper and the cable attachment. I know it's hard to see because it's so dirty, but this is the positive side right here. It's red. So gonna hook on the red. Then you can hook this to the frame somewhere where there's bare metal, but I've had most success just hooking it straight to the battery on the negative side right there. So red and black right here. It's really hard to see, but it gives you a readout here on the screen. This is saying 10.1 volts. So that's low. Low is anything 12.2 and under. Normally it should read about 12.6 if you're just to test it at like a good state. So 10.1, I think this is still high enough to be able to jump it. So all you gotta do for this battery is hit jump start, and now it says jump start ready. And then I'm just gonna get in the car and turn the keys and turn it on. Now you can unhook it. Unhook the black one first, just reverse order of how you did it, and unhook the red. And I'm gonna wanna go get this battery replaced, so I'm taking it straight to Advanced Auto Parts. But before you drive it, you wanna let it run for about 5 minutes, just so the alternator can charge the battery. Take it to Advanced and get a more detailed test on this. This one is from 2015, so it's over 8 years old. It's way overdue for replacement. I'm gonna bet they're gonna do their test, their advanced test, and this is gonna be bad. But they'll test it for free and they'll replace it for free. All you gotta do is buy the battery. All right, so after get the battery replaced at Advanced, I figured I'd also pick up one of these new battery starters so I can have one that stays with each car. I've had this one for 5 years now, and it's done great, so just went ahead and got the same brand. So it's actually really about the same size. It's definitely got some more power in it though. You know, after 5 years, they've upgraded this. It's meant for to be a little more heavy duty. It's got some bigger alligator clips right here. It's a lot bigger than what we got on the old one. The cable on this one is a lot thinner than this new one here. And I think the only thing that I'll miss on this one is probably having the screen right here, like this one does, that tells the readout of what the battery voltage actually is, because that's pretty helpful. But I trust the brand, and I think this will get the job done, and it'll be good to have one in each vehicle. Like I said, I've used this one probably a dozen times, and it's come in handy, so I'm sure this one will too.